This is Chris, the Idaho Painter, here on Paint Live TV. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a new product, and this is a product from Paint Line, and this is the mobile Jobsite spray booth. I'm going to talk to you about some of the benefits and some of the problems this thing's going to resolve on the job site, so stay tuned for this video. All right, I'm standing inside the mobile spray booth from Paint Line and got a couple other products that are here in front of me. And one of them, this is the spray twirly. This is the PSD system. And we do a lot of cabinet painting now. And one of the things when it comes to cabinet painting is, painting inside somebody's house and the challenges of setting up a spray booth and how do you go about spraying inside somebody's house. The PSD system is how we go about spraying cabinets hanging so we can spray both sides of them. And that absolutely revolutionized how we went about painting cabinets. It cut our cabinet painting down in half. One of the other big challenges was setting up a spray booth because of all the varying conditions we have. I mean, where's a door? Where's a window that we can vent to? We've got 8-foot ceilings, 12-foot ceilings, vaulted ceilings. There's all these different types of scenarios. And we'd always have to set up a spray booth right next to our kitchen and get that thing ventilated outside the house. We did use lacquers in the past. We don't use lacquers anymore. Highly recommended to use only water-based products. Now we've got a mobile spray booth that I'm standing inside right here. This thing's gonna set up in most scenarios faster than you can actually tape to a ceiling and mask inside of a house. But one of the things that this does resolve is masking on walls and masking on ceilings. I know I get a lot of questions. People are asking me, well, you just put double-sided tape on their ceilings. When you pull that off, is it going to take the paint with it? Well, yes, it does sometimes, and then we got to go back and touch up the ceilings. So here we go. We've got a mobile spray booth. It's going to set up quickly and efficiently, and I don't have to mask on pre-painted surfaces. One of the big advantages, I can set this thing up right next to my kitchen cabinets. I don't have to set up my spray booth right next to a door or window or to have it ventilated. I do have a ventilation system right here that this portable spray booth has that it hooks up to it, and I've got two 15-feet section of hoses, and I can be 30 feet away from that door, and I can stretch that thing and vent it out that door. This is one of the great advantages right next to your kitchen cabinets. I've got plastic on the floor. When this thing sets up quickly and efficiently, I've put down some cardboard like X-board, or you can use any type of RAM board, something like that. That's an absorbent cardboard down here, so if you spill anything, if anything goes through that cardboard, this is a 5-sided structure, so plastic underneath. Nothing's gonna get on like your carpet, vinyl, or wood floors. You're protected. It's also a clear plastic, so you're not gonna have an issue with lighting. So if this was some type of plastic or cardboard that you couldn't see through, it's gonna affect the lighting. It's a disposable spray booth, so once I'm done with this thing, I'm just gonna take it wadded up, throw it with all the rest of my stuff in the trash, and I'm done and ready to go to the next job site. One thing I love about this spray booth, the setup, 15 minutes, one guy, but it's a toolless setup. Walk in your job site, looks very professional, got everything in my bag right here. You can set it up, no tools. Absolutely love that. 15 minutes, one guy. So here's another key feature on this portable spray booth. If I wasn't doing cabinets, I know over the past 18 years, spraying inside somebody's garage is a very difficult situation to mask off a garage. If I gotta spray some doors, we do spray doors if we're doing an interior repaint. If I got 15, 20 doors to do, we'll typically set them up inside of a garage. We typically run 9x400 plastic around the side walls of the garage, drape it over, all of their shelves and all their stuff they got in the garage. Now I can walk right in, pull one car out, set this thing up in 15 minutes, and I got a mobile spray booth inside the garage that's quick and efficient to set up. Here's something else you might not think about. If you're a carpenter, if you've doing a lot of cutting with a chop saw, if you're getting a lot of sawdust and stuff like that, you need to control inside somebody's house. You got a portable spray booth inside somebody's house doing a lot of chopping and sawing, or it could even be set up inside of a garage. What if you're a tile guy and you're worried about water and stuff splattering, going around and chopping tile inside somebody's house, all that moisture? Well, this is a 5-sided spray booth. It's got a plastic bottom. You can control your moisture right there. So you got tile guys, carpenter guys. It's really, the uses and stuff are just unlimited to what this thing could actually do. This portable spray booth is designed for non-flammable products. When it comes to cabinet painting, doing interior trim products, I've graduated from not using any type of lacquers anymore. I use all water-based products because they just don't like the inherent dangers that they can explode. Inside the paint line portable spray booth, definitely not recommended, and it's not designed for any flammable products.